Welcome guys to another quick update to the current state of VoxVR. But first of all, a quick announcement. We're sending out the first builds of VoxVR to press and testers. So if you are from press or you want to test VoxVR, please don't hesitate to contact us using the various channels we are on, like website, YouTube, Twitter, email and all that stuff. We will then provide you with further details and a download link. And because we don't have something like a UI system right now, we created a manual which tells you all details about how to use VoxVR, how to load images into it, and which button does what. Yeah. Also, I want to thank you very, very much for your great feedback and your ideas and all that stuff. Some of your ideas already made it into our application or made it onto our to-do list. So keep playing around, keep watching our videos, keep testing VoxVR. Thank you very much for that. So now to the new features. We added one new tool. That's the so-called reference images tool, which allows you to load images into VoxVR and use them as reference for building. It's really simple. You just put your images. They can be either JPEG or PNG files. Put them in the VoxVR images folder, and they get loaded runtime, so you can put the images into that folder before launching VoxVR or while VoxVR is running. And then by pressing your grip buttons, you're enabling that tool, and by swiping left or right on the right touchpad, you're changing the images. The cool thing is you can change your controllers, the reference image changes with them. So if you are right-handed, the image will be on the left side and otherwise on the other side. Sadly, that's the only thing we can show to you today, because the other stuff happened behind the scenes, meaning we improved the performance here and there, and we changed the voxel engine a little bit and how it works internally, but that stuff is stuff we can't show to you because it doesn't exist visually. It's only background improvements. But most of the time was going into creating new concepts for our brush system or our upcoming UI system. So that's very cool. So as you may know, we passed in Greenlight a few weeks ago, and now we have to set up our Steam page. That's a little bit, okay, not only a little bit, it's very much different from setting up a Steam Greenlight page, because you need so much more information, metadata, and images, videos, all kind of media. So that's going to be a huge part of our current development cycle. We also have to set up the build pipeline. We want to have an automated build pipeline using continuous integration, meaning we push an update of code to our server. It gets automatically built and sent to the Steam development branch. So our testers can already test that new build, and then we can promote that build to the release branch if it's tested, if it's stable. We also participated in the WeeklyVoxels challenge. That's a challenge where you build a voxel model to a given theme. The theme was food, and my brother made this awesome voxel meal using VoxVR. You can view it in full 3D on Sketchfab. The link will be in the description. So that's it for this devlog. See you next time, and thank you for watching.